What's going on, guys? My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to walk you through step by step on how you can get started and make money with your affiliate marketing business. But also, if you are a complete beginner, this video will actually help you out a lot, as this is something that I broken it down for you step by step, so you can just see on the screen step 1, step 2, step 3, and this is literally the steps that you're gonna be taking today for you to be able to complete this process and start to be making money with your affiliate marketing business. So with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So as you can see on the screen, I have got make money with affiliate marketing with recurring income business model, right? So we have different affiliate marketing business out there, right? Some of them are actually paying you recurring ongoing, and some of the programs out there actually pay you high ticket affiliate marketing commissions, right? And this goes with like $500 you get paid, $1,000, all the way up to $10,000, right? But the things that I actually started with and I think will actually help you out a lot is recurring income affiliate marketing business. So this is like you get started for very little and start to make that little commissions on the way, which can over time compound. And when you have gotten to that certain point to be able to quit your job, right, you have like recurring income of like 5,000, 10,000, 3,000, however many income streams you need to be able to reach that point, and then you can actually branch out to high ticket affiliate marketing, right? And this is exactly what I did, right? I got started with recurring income affiliate marketing, and that's when I started making money, and it was like recurring over time. That's when I started moving towards high ticket affiliate marketing, right? So these are the steps that you need to be taking to be able to get my free bonus that I actually provide my team members. Is I think it will actually help you out a lot. And so number one step is activate HBA system, right? What is HBA system, you might ask, right? So this is a funnel builder tool that you actually get access to, and this is a very essential tool for anyone out there to be making money with the affiliate marketing business, right? So this is a funnel builder tool, and just like ClickFunnels, right? But the good thing about this is it pays you ongoing residual income over time, which can build. And because everyone needs a funnel builder tool, if you want to get any sort of success online, this is something that you must have if you actually want to get success with the affiliate marketing business, right? So funnel builder tool is really essential, and this is one of the products that I actually promote out there, and it's actually paying me recurring commission, right? It pays you like between $120 commission, $400 commission, and up to $800 commission just by using this funnel builder. But literally you can get started with this amazing system for as little as $1 today, right? So $1 is not a lot of money. So let me share with you. If you're watching this video, you're gonna go down in the description section, the first link, and it will actually bring you to this page here, right? And here you're gonna enter your details. All right, so enter your detail, make sure it's a correct detail, because all the password and everything the company will actually send to you, and I'll also send you available information for you to understand what this actual business model is, right? So once you get here, you can see this is my family, this is my son, this is my kids, this is my lovely wife, and right. So what you're gonna do after that is you just simply gonna click this here button here, and it will bring it to this page here, right? So you can see here, this is got like a traffic, the funnel builder tool is all combined in one, and literally you can just get started with this system for as little as $1 today, right? And you can scroll down, you can see all the testimonials, all the results people are actually getting with this amazing system, right? So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna click on this green button and get access to the system, right? So enter all your details, make sure it's the correct details, like I said, the company will send you password and everything, and for you to get access to all the system, right? So make sure I tick this box, and you can literally just access the system for as little as $1 today. Okay, so after you have actually done that, then you want to message me on Facebook, right? I'll also leave my Facebook link in the description section below. You can come and connect to me, and for that way I can send traffic onto your funnel, right? And I will literally get everything set up for you, and that way you actually don't need to do anything because I will be setting everything for you. And so that way you can actually go out there and let me do all the hard work. I'll be promoting your system, right? So make sure you message me on Facebook saying that you have got inside the program, and I'll also be sharing with you my marketing system, what I actually use to be able to promote this amazing system out there on the internet, right? And once you have done that, it's about time for you to collect your $100, $120 commission. Let me put this. So literally you can start earning that $20 commission, $120 commission, $400 commission, and up to $800 commission. And this is, like I said, this is a recurring income commissions that you're gonna be making month after month after month, just similar to your car repayment, your Netflix, your internet cable, your electricity, your water bill, your rates that you're actually paying. So this is very similar to that, right? And it builds up over time. So you can just start with $20, and that $20 can turn into $120, $400, $800. So it's just building up over time. And once you have that income goal, that what you're actually making on your day-to-day job at the moment, once you have reached that stage, you earning like probably $3,000 a month, you can just quit your job, right? And then keep doing this. So literally $1 is the startup fee for you to just start. And now if the system works or not for you, and see what you actually get on the inside. So this is what you actually get on the inside. So this is all the training that we have on the inside: funnel builder tool, traffic and conversion, and these are all the products that you're actually gonna get. So very easy system, and this is literally a 3-step process for anyone to follow to be able to get results with their system and be able to make money with affiliate marketing. Because once you activate the system, I will actually set up the entire system for you, right? So I'll set up your funnel, I'll set up your autoresponders, I'll set up your done for you email swipes that I'll be giving you. So everything that I'll be giving you, it will actually help you out to be able to make money with your affiliate marketing business, right? So let me also know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and so that way I can answer your questions. Come and connect to me via Facebook, so that way we can connect, and I'll share with you my marketing system, what I use, and how I'm actually getting consistent income using this system, right? And that way you can be rest assured this like I know there's like a lot of courses out there promising you like you're gonna be making 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, but you cannot reach that amount if you haven't made $1 online, right? So start with making just little commission, and that way you can actually get the confidence and for you to be moving, right? Any results that you want to get all starts with taking action, that little steps, little action, baby steps over time, and that way you can actually improve little by little, and so that way you can start to make money, right? It's no point just having a big goal like making $50,000 a month and you haven't even taken that one baby step. So this is one of the baby steps that you're going to be taking today. Activate your HBA system. All the links will be in the description. Message me on Facebook and start to collect that ongoing residual income from your system and affiliate marketing business. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and my God bless you all. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.